Hi, this is Poonam Sagar from IndoIndians.com, and today we have the pleasure of talking with Aditi Srivastav, who is the president of Diet Mantra. And as you have been reading recently, we've had a lot of articles from Aditi and a special section on Indo Indians called Diet Mantra. So, hi Aditi, welcome to Indo Indians.
Hi Poonam, thank you so much.
So, Aditi, what brought you to Indonesia? And tell us a little bit more about how you are trying to bring Diet Mantra and healthy eating to people here.
Well, Poonam, I've been a professional for more than 21 years of my life, and my business in India requires me to travel globally. And it's a lot of travel and a lot of hard work. It's a design school, and which we've set up, and it's doing great. But keeping in view my travel issues and the busy lifestyle that I had, I realized about 5 years ago that I'm feeling a depletion of energies, and I don't feel so happy anymore. And I was doing all the right things. I was exercising, I was eating according to me, eating right. But then I realized, that a lot of what we see and read and imbibe in our lives as far as food is concerned, a lot of it is myth and we don't know if it's right for our body. So that is why in 2011 I came up with my brand called Diet Mantra. And the concept is customized, personalized diet counseling. So when we talk about diet, we talk about the entire overall fitness of a person, starting from what the person's daily lifestyle, what he does, what he doesn't do, what he should be doing, and complement it with a diet which is just apt for his body type, based on his fitness levels, based on his span of activity, and of course focusing a lot on the mind, because they say if you sleep well, you feel healthy, you feel fitter. And a lot of it is to do with the energy levels. How we start a day in the morning and how we end it at night. Those are two very important things. Like our parents taught us, that be grateful and count your blessings before you sleep and remember what you've done. We also need to remember what we've eaten and what was the fitness levels that day and plan our the next day. What brings me to Jakarta is my family and my passion for seeing a fitter, healthier India is being translated into seeing a fitter, healthier Jakarta as well.
Wonderful. It seems to me that your diet mantra is not merely about what we eat, but it is very holistic and it is all about everything, your fitness, your food, and how you live your life. So I think that is amazing. And as all our audience already has been exposed to a lot of your articles as well as a section on diet mantra where you also give personalized consultation to people who require that. So if you go ahead, log on to www.indoindians.com, go to the Diet Mantra section, and you'll be able to see all the various consultation packages with Aditi herself. And recently, Aditi, you shared an article with us on mindful eating.
Yes.
And that was a very insightful article.
Very
So,
close to my heart as well.
yeah, and how did you think about that? What prompted you?
Well, as I told you, it's not just about what we eat, it's how we eat that is most important. And what prompted me is my son who just doesn't eat right, for him eating is just an activity and it's just stuffing food inside his mouth. So that's something which prompted me, that what is mindful eating and how we should go about the entire process.
I see.
That was actually my motivation, my son.
So I think we need to come back to you and talk to you about some other maybe diet tips, fitness tip, lifestyle, and also design because it seems that it's a whole single package that you come to us with a lot of information, and we will be reaching out to you for more information and more little tips that we can share with Indo Indians. So thank you so much for
Thank you,
this
Poonam,
time.
for giving me an opportunity to be part of Indo Indians. And I would love to be of help to anyone, who wants to do anything related to their fitness levels. And of course, passion and lifestyle runs in my blood. Thank you.
Thanks. So if you go to indoindians.com, look at the diet mantra section, or you can just go to search and type in Aditi Srivastav. So thanks, Aditi.
Bye.
Bye.